During routine maintenance checks, manual inspection of air compressors leads to missteps, inconsistent results, and an increased risk of equipment failure and downtime. The solution, META-aivi, a unique AR plus AI vision system. By using regular smart devices like tablets, META-aivi provides users with real-time SOP guidance for maintenance and inspection. Operators are guided through each step of the process, ensuring nothing is missed. The system also captures digital records and time-stamped screenshots for enhanced accountability. This streamlined approach ensures 100% SOP compliance, accelerates the onboarding process for new staff, and eliminates the need for laborious paperwork and checklists. With META-aivi, inspections are faster, more accurate, and fully compliant, ensuring complex procedures run smoothly. META-aivi AR plus AI vision system. Train an AI model quickly with only a few images. Real-time AR detection and AI inspection. Increase accuracy, reduce errors. Learn more at solomon-3d.com.